There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's call. My name is Dominic and I will take you through the Kraitos insight call, the weekly insight call. First of all, what we're going to look at, we're going to look at the results. We're going to look at some demo accounts. We will look at some different settings that I'm testing, trying out. Because I see that Kraitos is like a really amazing EA that we can do a lot with it. And of course, always what we want to do, we always want to keep the drawdown minimal. We always want to keep the risk minimal. So this is really important for all of you to understand. So let's jump into the share screen so we can see how my Kraitos performed this week. It was like, again, a peaceful week, like it always is with Kraitos. This is like what investing and trading should be. No excitement, no panicking, but just stable growth. So let's aim for those 4 to 6% every single month, and in the long term we can build a big trading account. So as you see, this week my account did 1.85%, nothing like say amazing, 1% that bank doesn't give you that like in a month. So $31, and this month we're up 0.56%, but we still have 4 trading weeks to go, full 4 trading weeks. So I'm really interested to see what is going to be the result of this month. So as you see right now, we don't have like anything open, any trades open. Just GBP CAT, like with a little bit of drawdown, up 11 pips, nothing major. So this is my account. So what I'm doing on my account this week, I will try something a little bit different. Don't do that on your account. Be with the default settings. First of all, I will just save here the settings. Properties of Kraitos. Save. Let's save this so I can show you how to. Okay, just gonna save it here. Nominate. You can always save settings like this. I like to save my settings. Nominate a new. Save. Okay. And I will show you now how to actually set up Kraitos, because a lot of people are asking me, should Kraitos be on all the charts? No, Kraitos should be only on one chart. As you can see here, I only have one chart. Everything else that I have open is for my FX book, and also I'm just like, I open these charts up to see like how Kraitos it's actually working and trading. So this is why I have like more charts open, but definitely Kraitos should be only run on one chart, not at every single chart, but only on one chart. So once you're setting up Kraitos, you have to press here View and then Navigator. So like you can come like to Kraitos, and then what you do, you just actually pull it up, press yes, and then these settings come up. So these are the default settings. These are like the settings that developers say they're the best ones. Here 27. Here you can go to 35 or 40. I prefer like a higher number because I'm a more conservative guy. So then here you have to set up your risk parameter 0.01 per thousand or 0.01 per 1,250. Then instruments, how many instruments you're going to trade, so how many pairs you can have open at the same time. Leave it here at 2. AUD CAD, these are the pairs that you trade. So the only thing that you have to be careful is like that you put here, if there's like something behind the pair on your market watch, let's say .pro, .t, .net or whatever, you have to put it next to every single symbol. Bulwark, this is like a currency shield, so that means if you have USD CAD open, it's not gonna open Euro USD or AUD CAD, so that you are actually like protected. If one of the currencies goes like weak or really strong. Okay, at the position if positive, I will show you what I'm doing with that. So here actually, if we are 45 pips, at 45 pips we put it to 45 pips, we put another trade in, 25 we trail, so it's 25, 25 goes back, so then we have 20 pips, so it will be 5 pips in minus. So here, if you would like to have this, put 45 and trail with 20. Okay, take profit at pivot levels. These Kraitos can go for like more profit, so I have this on false. Take first trade, take profit 10 pips, and here if we open up a second order trade, third trade, we have it set here to 4. Spread filter in pips, it's 3, and equity protector, I like mine at 25%. And then here max allowed lot size. This is really important. What you have to do here is you have to look at your balance. Okay, you have to look at your balance. So my balance is 3,700. How do I determine the max allowed lot size? I actually go here, and then you go 3,732, and you divide this by 10,000. So mine would be then 0.37. So this would be like my max lot size. So what I have to do, I have to put here 0.37. So once you have like all these settings done, what you do, you press save, and then you just name it as you want it. I will be like here test call, and then you save it on the desktop. So if like something happens and Kraitos gets removed from your chart, you just have the settings saved, and you just press here then load save your settings, and this is it. What I'm actually trying this week with my settings, here as I said, I have here 40. I also have it here 40. Here I will be running it with 0.01 per thousand. Bulwark is going to be true, and here is going to be true too, but I will do it here like that at the position if 20 pips in plus, and I will trail here with 5. So that mean if a position is 20 pips in plus, it's going to put in another position. If the second position goes 5 pips in minus, I'm going to be taken out with net profit of 15 pips. Here I will leave everything the same. So why I'm actually like doing that, I will show you right now. So as you can see here, this was an example of this week, and you can see here, okay, you can see here was like, sorry, you can see here was like our first position with buy 0.01. So what happened, the pair, first of all, it moved down, and then it was a big spike to the upside, as you can see, and then here we are actually 15 pips. Here we are here 15 pips, 15 pips in plus. So what happened? Then actually what happened is that Kraitos put in another buy. You see another buy, and the stop loss moved to here. Okay, first the stop loss was here, and then you see another spike to the upside. We went from here, you see, to here. So we got another 15 pips, and then another 20 pips. So Kraitos put another trade in with 0.01, and you can see stop loss was moved where? Stop loss was moved here. So this position was in plus, this position was in plus, and this position was in plus. So if we look here now, instead of like being taken out with 10 pips, what we achieved, we actually achieved here the first position. First position went up 20 pips, 40 pips. So the first position then was 60 pips. Okay, sorry, 50 pips. So the first position was actually 50 pips, 50 pips, and then the second position, this one, as you can see, this one was 20, and then let's say for easier math, this position went up 30 pips, and then the third position that we see here, the third position was like up, I don't know, like around 10 pips. Here was 10 pips, 10 pips here. So as you can see, together we achieved like 50 pips, 30 pips, 80 pips, 90 pips instead of just 10 pips. So I'm still testing this out. I think it can work. But now if you press play, you will actually see now. You will actually see. Okay. So you're gonna see right now how this actually like played out. I made a screen recording yesterday. So as you can see, we are here, and then you can see here the pair started moving again, AUD cat into our way. And you can see now when it's gonna be another spike up. See now, see stop loss, it's moving, and so we are securing more and more and more profit. So this is what I'm testing out. I will run it this week on my live account so I can see how it is, but I'm also testing it out on demo account so I can see how it works on different pairs. So yeah, this is like it, what I'm like testing out, playing around with it. And if you go back here, here's also Matt's account. Matt account is also doing like really nice. This week 0.70% up, and right now he is like in with one trade NZD cat. So yeah, again a stable growth. Let's see if there's any questions. Maybe I have to join here. Dominic. Okay, right now we don't have any questions, but also what I actually did with one of my friends, we opened up a prop firm account that we don't have like a time limit when we have to achieve like 10%. And as you can see, we put like really like conservative settings, like default setting 0.01 per every 3,500. So we are up this week 0.26, and we won 11 trades, and right now we have one trade open. So this is like what I'm testing out, what I'm working on. If you have any questions, message us in Discord. We will be more than happy to answer all of your questions. But as I see now, there's no more questions, so I will finish the call. I wish all of you a lot of success trading with Kraitos, and yeah, be careful in the markets. Markets can always surprise us. Have a great weekend, and talk to you soon. Bye.